And welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy D.I.Y. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this D.I.Y flaxseed gel natural hair and body cream. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. So this is the base cream we're going to use for this tutorial. So to get started, I'm going to be using flaxseed. And if you don't know what flaxseed is, this is what it is. And this organic flaxseed I just bought. So you can find this in any store or in Amazon. Click on the link below to get it from Amazon. You can also get this flaxseed from local stores around you. So first thing I'm measuring out 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel, and if you're using a measuring scale, you're going to be using 30 grams of flaxseed. And for the water, I'm adding 2 cups of distilled water, and if you're using a measuring scale, kitchen scale for this measurement, you're going to be measuring out 466 grams of distilled water. Add it into the flaxseed in a pot and heat it up, cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to cook it. So when the flaxseed is ready, you'll see a white foam on top. So at this point, the flaxseed gel is ready. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it, allow it to cool a little and strain it immediately. So here I have, after straining it, I measure out the quantity I need. Here I have 62 grams of the flaxseed gel, and I needed 77 grams, but because it wasn't enough, because I've already used it for other DIY, so I had to add 15 grams of distilled water to top it up to 77 grams. So for my water phase, I have 77 grams in total, including this flaxseed gel and the distilled water. Then the next I'm adding at this point is my glycerin. I'm adding 5 grams of glycerin. After adding the glycerin to the flaxseed gel, I'm going to mix it. So at this point, our water phase is ready. So the next is the cream base. This is my cream base. If you've not watched this video, you can click the link below to watch this video on how to make this cream base. With this cream base, your DIYs will be simple for you. You don't need to bother putting oils and butter emulsifiers together. This serves for the oil phase. So this is a cream base. I will leave the link below this video. So here I'm using my cream base. I'm using 12 grams of my cream base. So this cream base, you can use it to make both body cream, hair cream, whatever, just name it, hair conditioners. So after adding my cream base, I'm going to use my immersion blender to blend it to be able to combine it. So one thing about this cream base, for this particular recipe, if you want it thicker, you add more cream base, and if you want it thinner, you reduce the cream base. So it is your choice to make whichever one you want, whether thick or lighter. conditioner or cream, you're covered with this cream base. So after blending it, this is what it looks like. So at this point it's forming a trace. So the next I'm adding my vitamin E oil, and I added 1 gram of vitamin E oil, and after adding I'm going to mix it. Then the next is my essential oil. I'm using vanilla essential oil. And after mixing it, the next is my preservative. Always remember to follow your manufacturer's instructions whenever you're using a preservative. So here I have 1 gram of preservative. I'm using liquid German Plus for this. Then the next ingredient is my neem extract. And below this video I'm going to drop the link on how I made the neem extract. Neem is very beneficial on the skin, and if you're having rashes, even on your scalp, if you're having dandruff, itchy scalp, neem has the work covered. Neem can do that for you. So that's why I chose, because this is both for body and hair cream, and that's why I added neem extract. So at this point we're checking the pH of this cream. Then I'm going to take 8 grams of distilled water and add 2 grams of the cream, the flaxseed cream, to the water. And after mixing it, then I'm going to check the pH. So with the pH we're good to go. It's between 4.5 to 5 points pH, so we are good to go with this cream. So at this point guys, our body and hair cream is ready. If you've not subscribed, like I said earlier, please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll see more of my videos whenever I post them. So this is the consistency we got, and this is lovely. This can go for if you have low porosity hair. This is good. This is a good hair cream for you because it's not very thick, and however this is for all hair type and also body type. So feel free to add more base cream or reduce the base cream. So the next thing at this point is to pour it into a clean container, as I'm doing at this point. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos and like them. At this point I'm pouring the remaining one in a different container because it didn't fit into the first container I used. So this is the last part of this cream. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.